Today we are going to learn how to get into gate pose. You'll need a yoga block and a yoga mat. Let's get started. Come up onto your knees and remember, as we get through this pose, that everyone's flexibility and everyone's body is different. And I will work through the full pose first, followed by modifications. As you get up onto those knees, if this is bothering your knees, feel free to fold your mat in half or maybe grab a folded blanket or folded towel to give those knees some extra cushioning. Keep your block handy. Engage the glutes, and you can reach the fingertips down to your block if necessary. Here I'm going to take the leg out and extend it long in about a check mark position. Now I'm going to keep my foot flexed. You can bring the foot flat. I personally like to work this with my foot flexed. I'm laterally rotated in my leg, and this supporting leg, my glutes are engaged, so my pelvis is right up over the femur, and I'm not dumping back and sitting back towards the heel. I'm up tall, glutes engaged, abdominals engaged. I'm gonna flip the front palm here, the right hand that's coordinated with my right leg. Inhale the left arm up. Gently press the back of my hand into my leg as I reach long into lateral flexion, reaching towards those toes, trying to keep the shoulders away from the ears. I don't want to shrug and pull up into my traps here, and then slowly bring it back up, tracing the inside of my leg. Now, if this does not work for you, grab your block, and you can take the block on end, right on the inside of the knee. Reaching towards your block, inhale, and exhale. Gently press those fingers down into your block, or perhaps you can get a little further to press your hand down into the top of the block. Holding the arm nice and long, and then inhaling to bring it up tall. If that still does not work for you, you can remove the block and inhale the arm up, bend at the elbow, and exhale, press that elbow and the forearm into that upper thigh. Find some resistance here, and you'll really feel that nice stretch happening here in the obliques. Holding here, and then draw it back up tall, releasing it down. Be sure that you do these stretches on both sides and that you hold for a few breaths. And as always, be sure that you work into these poses once you've done a warm-up. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.